first step's moving it, but like Brian said, he wants to optimize it. That's why a lot of people go to the cloud. So once you've moved it, you want to then think, okay, now how can I be flexible once I get there? So Mark, explain kind of the plan that you guys have in place, kind of, what your relationship's going to be with Truelio going forward.
Sure. Thanks, Chris. I think starting just with the ReluTech, we're partners with ReluTech, taking some of your hardware services for our migration clients, and then that helps alleviate costs over the double bubble getting into the cloud, because a lot of getting to the cloud is about not just cost optimization takeout; it's actually reallocating costs, making sure you're spending it correctly and optimized. So you might. Brian, you were looking at 3 to 5 year decision on hardware, whereas then you can go to consumption based. But if you were to lift everything and just put it in the cloud, it'd probably be more expensive. So what we try to do when we're taking clients into the cloud is get them in a position where they're spending that optimally, maybe choosing the right technologies. So what we did with, in conjunction with ReluTech is really help kind of provide some advisory support during that migration to say, okay, we're going to be taking this on as a managed services client to help Brian just sleep better at night. We're going to run the base infrastructure management. So what we work together to kind of say, let's tweak these things, make sure they're right so we can manage them effectively. And then, once Brian's fully in the cloud, our strategy is basically to help to run it effectively to where Brian can get the cost efficiencies of the cloud, make sure he's right sized on his resources and choosing the right resources. So for some of that is taking some of the legacy things that he brought over and then tweaking them or changing them to maybe a different service, or maybe choosing the right savings plans so he's getting the best cost out of it. So instead of paying on-demand cost, he's actually saying, well, I can commit to this base level of service. It's going to save you a lot. So we're working on all sorts of different areas of the cloud and helping him guide him as that partner.
Yeah, I mean, like you said there, when you get to the cloud, it can't be more expensive if everything's running the exact same. You haven't changed anything. Then towards the end there, you mentioned, maybe we can make these commitments.